This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 14, The Body and the Way It Communicates. This video explores the fascinating world of nonverbal communication, covering gestures, postures, facial expressions, and more. It delves into the power of gestures and emblems, which can convey specific meanings influenced by cultural contexts. Context plays a crucial role in interpreting nonverbal cues, as some expressions may be innate but modulated by cultural norms. Understanding these nuances is essential for effective communication across different societies and genders. Space proximity and territory significantly impact non-verbal interactions, with space rituals and touching behaviors varying across contexts. Power dynamics are conveyed through aggressive or submissive stances and gestures, shaping interpersonal relationships. Masterful artists like Norman Rockwell captured the essence of non-verbal cues through their work, depicting leader-follower dynamics, surprise, amusement, and pursuit through body language and facial expressions, effectively communicating emotions. In summary, non-verbal communication is a rich tapestry woven with innate expressions, cultural influences, spatial dynamics, and power dynamics. Careful observation of context, emblems, and gestures can unlock deeper insights into human interactions and emotions across diverse settings. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.